Welcome. I have been expecting a delivery. Nat 1 videos. Yes, that is what they used to call me. A Harboni upcycle creation. Interesting. Beautiful. But what is this? A note. To the one with whom the wind whispers. Greetings from Lothlorien, where the malon trees whisper secrets on the gentle breeze. News of your recent acquisition of our elven cloak has reached our glades, and a wave of gratitude washes over us like the celebrant. The very fabric imbued with the moonlight's glow was crafted with the hope it would find a worthy companion on their travels. We are honored that it now graces your shoulders. I have enclosed a gift of Lothlorien leaves. Their resilience, nurtured by the starlight, reflects the spirit you possess. As you journey onward, may their essence invigorate you, granting strength in times of weariness and solace in moments of doubt. May the cloak shield you from the harsh winds of the world, and may the leaves of Lothlorien forever remind you of the light that resides within. Harboni Upcycle. Not idly do the leaves of Lothlorien fall. I can feel the quality of the fabric between my fingers. I love it. I absolutely love it. I must go into the garden to prance around and enjoy this garment in all its glory. Please be sure to check out Harboni Upcycle. Goodbye. I heard that there was an orc looking for me. I shall defeat them.
Where are you, Gandalf?
Stand back, orc. You shall not pass me.
Your cape is not defenseless. I'll cut right through it.
Oh, yes. No, you won't. Ha ha.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
I defeated Gandalf. Now I'll defeat you next.
Merely a cloak of invisibility, not invincibility.
I have defeated Gandalf for sure now. Me and him will never come in a fight again. And make sure to subscribe for more videos of Nat 1.
Yeah! Subscribe to Nat 1 videos.